It's very important to have a boss that scares you. Cause if not, you ain't gonna do shit that he tells you to do. For example, me back in Durban, I had this friend. He was younger than me, and he was a house builder. So he didn't have assistants. So he hired me to be his assistant. Matter of fact, I was not his assistant. I was his mad boy. You know what I mean? Every time he asked me to bring mud, to bring mud, to bring mud, And then he changed to ask me to bring mud. He asked me to bring him bricks, to bring fish line, to bring truffle, to bring level, like everything, to bring him jet, to bring him like every fucking thing. I was like, boy, you too young to be asking me to do shit around here. If you want anything to get down here, do it yourself, boy. You're too young to be bossing me around like that. Matter of fact, I ain't scared of you. If you ask me to do shit, I will just sit down. I will not totally do shit, boy. Damn.